Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I will be working in the Dollar Tree planner doing the 2022 Scrapcraftastic weekly planner and journal challenge. The prompt this week is spring break. I have pulled a couple of different things to use, including this washi tape from Simply Gilded. If you're interested in Simply Gilded washi tape, I do have a special discount link in the description box below. I'll be using these dolls from Isis Ella Jewels. I'll be using this sticker book from the old Target dollar spot or bullseye spot. I'm not sure what it's called now. This is from 2019. It's a $3 sticker book. And then I'll be using some florals from CHELA Plans, Roy G. Biv boxes and florals. This is the volume 1. This is the Dollar Tree planner, but the cover is by Moterm. The planner on the inside here was actually from Dollar Tree. This is last week's spread. The prompt was emeralds. I think that's pretty cute. Very simple. This week, I think I'm going to need to white out the days of the week in addition to what's in the header. I think I need to choose my washi and choose my washi carefully. I think I'm going to go with this washi for the days, because I'm kind of doing like an orangey peachy look, and this rose gold is mixed with orange. We can go ahead and put down some of the florals. And I just bent that up. We'll see what we're going to do with that. Let's put this on the washi graveyard. Just put it right here. All right, I'm going to put this down here. Then we're going to put one over here. So I'm actually using them the way they were intended, I guess. Now I'm going to use some alpha from this sticker book, I think. And I'm going to spell out spring break. This is reminiscent of a spread that I did several years ago, where I actually used stickers that said spring break. Got that down. Now let's put down some days of the week. So I'm going to use these day of the week stickers from Piper Paper Company. They are the ones that are on clear paper. And I do have a discount code for Piper Paper Company. Okay, so there are the days of the week. Let's see, I'm going to use these dolls from Isis Ella Jewels. There's a discount code below. I really don't like this white border. I don't want to cut it off all the way around. I think I'm just going to put it here. That white is just so white. Where's my other one? And unfortunately, they're both facing the same direction. I wish one was facing the other way, but I'm gonna put her down here. She's just got too much of a white border around her. Let's see what I can do. I'm just gonna take some of it off. Okay, let's try that again. That's a little better. I feel like I need another doll on here. I'm gonna keep pulling her up, pulling her up. Let's try this. I think I want to put this behind her, so I'm going to have to remove her too. How many times have I pulled her up? I do not. I was trying to work around this curve on the bottom of her, but it just doesn't work. It's so much better without that. That's better. It's not as disturbing. Let's see if there's anything in here that I might want to use. I like this Enjoy Today. And let's do this Hello World. And let's straighten up Success. Okay. So that's it for those two. Do I want to put any boxes? Let's see if I can get this box here. And then one up here. Let's see if there's anything in here I can use. Let's see if there's any quotes in 1, 2, 3, 4. Can use some of these hearts. Okay, so I pulled out Free Spirit by the Happy Planner. This is from 2018. I want to use Wonder Seeker. It's gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I should cut it while it's in the book. Let's cut it while it's in the book. That gives me a little more control with the X-Acto knife. Ooh, cutting that close. Okay. All right. So we can put Seeker over here. I guess I could turn it so that it doesn't take up the entire box. So Seeker And then Wonder here. Should we move Secret over some if I can? Nope, let's leave it. I think it's okay. Then we can pop in a couple of these stars to balance it a little bit. That worked out. Okay, enough playing. That is it for this week's setup. The prompt was spring break, and I kind of reminisced a little bit about a spread that I did previously during spring break. I used dolls from Isis Ella Jewels. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded. I used some stickers from a Target dollar bin, dollar spot, bullseye spot sticker book. I used the floral washis from CHELA Plan and stickers from a variety of Happy Planner books. The days of the week are from Piper Paper Company. And I will link to everything that I can in the description box below. And I will also include any coupon codes that I have. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.